36 na lang. So masamang nakakalason po yon sa lead na gagaling sa sasakyan. Malaki hong nabawas ayon doon sa mga testing at testimony ng mga tao.
So truly, Manong Johnny and of course Jerome, you claim, of course, na this Magicanic oil also is environmentally friendly. Kasi babawasan na yung mga exhaust, yung mga fumes ng ating mga vehicles. And marami pa dito nakalagay dito sa likod. In fact, sabi nga dito, Magicanic oil prolongs engine life, okay? Minimizes engine wear, reduces change oil frequency by 100%. Can you please explain this muna? Reduces change oil frequency by 100%. In fact, I have a product also like this. Mr. Johnny and Jerome was kind enough to lend to give me one, yung aking kotse naman, na I will be having a change oil this coming weeks. Kung lalagyan ko ba na imbis na every 3 months, kunyari every 3 months yung usually na change oil ko, sabi dito reduces change oil frequency by 100%. Imbis na 3 months, 6 months na lang. Can you comment this? Kasi nakasulat dito. How do you explain this? Reduces change oil frequency by 300%.
Yes. Ang pag-explain po diyan, ang ibig ko natin sabihin, yung standard ho kasi na change oil ng isang motor vehicle sa lahat, galing sa kasa is 5,000 kilometers po.
5,000.
Ang talagang dapat na pag-change oil mo para ma-maintain mo yung ganda ng makina. So, claim ho namin na 100% kasi magta times 2 po tayo doon. Yun hong 3 months, depende ho kung umabot na po yun mileage ng sasakyan mo. Kung hindi, kahit 4 months, kung hindi pa umabot yung 5,000 na kilometers, pwede pa ho nyong antayin bago kayo mag-change oil. Pero whereas may mga taxi owners na 24 hours ang takbo nila, so doon, minsan wala pang 1 buwan o minsan 1 buwan na talagang dapat mag-change oil ka. Kaya magbe-base lang po tayo doon sa sinasabi natin na 100% sa reduce ng change oil natin based on 5,000 kilometers po.
Okay. Well, alam mo, Sir Johnny, Sir Jerome, may controversy ngayon tungkol sa isang product na yung pampaputi yata, we all know that, na ganito daw ang grams nito, pero actually nakalagay doon very small. I mean, we will not name those products anymore, but anyway, nasa media outlets ngayon yun, yung quality ko naman, quality control nito. I mean, does it really, for example, ganito, like prolongs engine life ngayon, minimize it by 20%, 100%. Yung mga kwan ba nito talagang, what you call this, may quality control ito? I mean, what you buy is really what you get.
Yes.
Can you assure the buying public that what they buy is what they really what they get?
Yes, yung quality control ngayon, meron ho tayong biniling mga machine na kung ano po yung kakarga natin dito sa loob ng container niya na bote, isineset po natin yan sa machine para equal yung pagpasok ng mga liquid na papunta sa bote. So, yung machine pong yun, meron siyang mga adjustment kung ilan ml o liters ang dapat mong karga sa isang bote. So, yun wala tayong problema dahil meron kaming machine na ginagamit dyan. Yun naman hong quality, kung ano yung dating unang ginagamit natin na linagay dyan at yung component, yun hong pagtimpla, nabilin na ho natin yung inventor na huwag niyang babaguhin at nangako naman na ayaw niyang masira yung produkto natin dahil hindi ho siya pang maiksing panahon na pakikinabangan natin at sa lahat ng tao. So, nangako ho siya na i-maintain niya kung ano yung nakita ng mga tao way back 3 years, 1 year ago, yung pa rin ho hanggang ngayon.
Well, okay, thank you, Johnny. Of course, syempre we have to assure the buying public na syempre hard-earned money yan, And yung mga nangyayari ngayon, baka sabihin, baka sabi ito, pero kung binili ko, baka hindi naman mag-work ito. So, it's really nice, talagang ma-assure sila na they really buy quality kasi talagang hard-earned money ito, And Mr. Johnny and Jerome can say na talagang, what you call this, talagang naman may quality control itong Magicanic oil. Anyway, we will know more about Magicanic oil, yung mga inventor. In fact, may nag-text na dito. Sagutin na lang ni Mang Johnny at ni Jerome mamaya itong text na to, kung pwede sa motorcycle, itong Magicanic oil. well. But anyway, to get that answer, don't change that dial. We will be right back.
Hello, my friends. I'm here again, Jaime Dillaco, to give you an update on the July 5th Cancer Lecture at the Baguio Country Club. Due to circumstances beyond our control, the date has been rescheduled from July 5th to August 9th. Remember, it's now going to be on August 9th, still on Saturday afternoon from 2 to 5 p.m. A free lecture at the Baguio Country Club on amazing ways that you've never heard of before on how to remove malignant tumors from stage 4 and terminal cancer patients. Here, for example, a boy, look at the tumor on his face. See how big it is? But with 10 months of cryosurgery, this is how the boy looks. Normal, going back to school. For tongue cancers, this patient had several tumors on the tongue. After 1 month of photodynamic therapy, all the tumors are gone and the tongue, it's intact. The lecture is free for the first 300 pre-registrants. After that, there's a registration fee of 100 pesos. So please, hurry and be among the first 300 pre-registrants. Don't forget, there will be 2 days of free consultations after the seminar. Be sure to bring your medical records for these free consultations. Thank you very much.
You're watching
Mission Television.
Mission Television.
Mission Television.
Mission Television. Channel mo to. Channel mo to. Channel mo to.
Channel mo to.
Mount Crest Hotel, one among the first popular hotel in the city of Pine that have become a witness to Baguio's history. Located at the heart of the city, Mount Crest Hotel has become everybody's favorite destination. Its cool ambience and spacious rooms makes it very satisfying for all its visitors. Mount Crest Hotel, located at Ligardo Road, Baguio City.
Mission Television Channel 45 is offering TVS for your business, social, church activities, and many more. The new TV commercial here in Baguio City and province of Benguet. Promote your business, promote your activity. Available at our TV ads, 30 seconds, 2,000 per month, 10 seconds, 400 per month. Mission Television Channel 45. Place your ads now.
Magandang Baguio ulit sa inyo. Once again, this is Gabby Keith of the City Tourism Office. Once again, welcome to Mission Turismo. Live na naman tayo sa Channel 45 or Sky Cable in Mountain View. We invite you again to text us your questions, comments, or whatever. 0917-603-0264 or call us up at 446-8410. We are talking about Filipino ingenuity. Ang sample po nito is Magicanic Oil, the most modern breakthrough in engine oil additive technology. Sabi nga dito, it increases engine performance